Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about cube of a binomial. This math is intended to the grade 7 students. So I have 2. So this is a sum difference. So if I have, by the way, binomial, there are 2 terms. So A and B. Then this is cube. So to expand this one, so I have a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. Now next is difference. So the same two variables, so a and b, then cube is equals to a cubed. Take note, what's the difference between the two? The difference is the sign only. So positive, negative, alternate the sign. Positive, negative, positive, negative. So almost the same, the sign only the difference. Now let us solve. I prepared 2 numbers. Okay. To get the numerical coefficient, I have to use Pascal's triangle. 1, 1. This will be 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 1. So the diagonal side is always 1. So this one is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 1. Okay, so I will take this one, the numerical coefficients. So for example, number 1, I have 2 over 3 n plus 1 raised to the third power. Okay? So, there is an easy way to solve this expansion of binomial. So, this will be 2 over 3 cube. The first cube, and then the second is 1 raised to 0 power. And then plus, since this is addition, so the sign must be plus all. Then next will be, take note, the first term will be reduced, and then the second term will be increasing. Okay, so this will be, next is 2 over 3, since this is 3, and this will be 2, and then 1 raised to the power of 1. Okay, there is 1 in here, invisible 1. Take note, the numerical coefficient will be 1, 3, 3, 1. So I missed 3 in here. So this will be plus 3, because this is 1, then 3, next will be 3. So this will be plus 3 again. Then this will be 2 over 3 raised to 1 power in here. And then this will be increased to the power of 2. And then plus, since this is 1, so next to 1 is 0, because this is decreasing. So this will be 2 over 3 raised to the 0 power. And then the second term will be increasing. So since this is 2, this will become 3. Okay, so this will be 2 over 3 raised to the third power. So 2 to the third power is 8. 3 raised to the third power, 3 times 3 times 3, that will be 27. I forgot to write n in here, sorry. This one also. I miss the variable. And then this one also. Okay, so this will be n cubed. Take note, 1 to the 0 power is equal to 1 plus 3. Simplify this one first. This will be 4 over 9. This will be n squared. Next will be plus 3 times 2 over 3n. 1 to the second power is still 1. Then plus 2 to the 2 over 3n raised to the 0, that will be equal to 1. Then multiply by 1, because 1 to the power of 3 is 1. So this will be 8 over 27 n cubed. Then plus, divide this one by 3. 1 divided by 3, this is 3. So I've got 4 over 3 n squared. And this is 1, right? Then plus, this will be cross out. So I've got 2n times 1. Then 1 times 1 is 1. So this will be 8 over 27 n cubed plus 4 over 3 n squared plus 2n plus 1. So this is now the answer for number 1. Now let's proceed to number 2, the opposite, the difference, but still in cube of a binomial. Take note, when you say cube of binomial, there are two terms, first term and second term. So let's proceed to number 2. Number 2 is 1/3 m minus 2 cube. So take note, in Pascal triangle, 1, 3, 3, 1. So these are the numerical coefficient of the terms. So start with positive m raised to the third power, and then the second will be start with 0. Then plus minus 3, 1 over 3 m square. This will be increase. The second term will be 2 to the 1 power. So minus 3. This will be 1 over 3m times 2 to the second power. Plus minus plus minus plus. Sorry, this will be plus. And the last will be minus. So this will be 1 over 3 m to the 0 because this is already 1. And then this will increase 2 to the third power. So this will be 1 cube will be 1. 3 cube is 27. M raised to the third power, that will be m cube. Take note, 2 to the 0 power, that will be equal to 1. Then minus 3. 1 squared, that will be 1. This will be 9 m squared times 2. Then plus, this will be crossed out, m times 4 minus 1 over 3m raised to the 0 power, that will be 1 times 8 because 2 to the third power is 8. Okay, this will be 1 over 27 m cubed times 1 is m cubed minus 3 divided by 3, that will be 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So this will be 1/3 m squared times 2 plus 4 times m, that will be 4m, minus 1 times 8 is 8. Okay, so the final answer will be 1 over 27 m cubed minus 2 times 1 is 2 over 3 m squared plus 4m minus 8. That's the answer for number 2, and that's all.